Every day we take photos with our phones. Selfies, food pictures, triple video stories with friends. And we do it in seconds. Just open the camera app, tap the screen, and done. But have you ever stopped and wondered something? How does a tiny camera inside your phone capture such clear photos and videos? How can something so small work like a professional camera? In this video, we are going to explain how smartphone cameras work in the simplest way possible. A camera is just a light capture device first. Let's understand one simple idea. It captures light. Everything you see around you is light bouncing off objects. When you take a photo, your camera collects that light and turns it into an image. So no light means no picture. That is why photos look dark at night. The camera needs light to see. The lens. The first important part is the lens. The lens is the small glass circle you see in the back of your phone. Its job is to focus light. Think of it like your eye. When light enters the lens, it bends and focuses onto a tiny sensor inside the camera. Without the lens, the image would look blurry. Modern smartphones even have multiple lenses. Wide lens for normal photos, ultra wide for big scenes, telephoto for zoom. Each lens helps you capture different types of shots. The image sensor. Behind the lens is the most important part. The image sensor. This is like the brain of the camera. The sensor is a tiny electronic chip that captures light. It is made of millions of tiny dots called pixels. Each pixel collects light and turns it into electrical signals. More pixels mean more detail. That is why you hear terms like 12 megapixels or 48 megapixels. More megapixels usually mean sharper images. So the sensor turns light into digital information your phone can understand. How a photo is created. Now let's put it together. Here is what happens when you take a photo. Then the lens focuses the light onto the sensor. The sensor captures the light using millions of pixels. Each pixel records brightness and color. Your phone's processor then combines all this data and creates the final image. All of this happens in less than a second. That is why photos feel instant. The role of software. But here is something interesting. Smartphone cameras are not just hardware. Software plays a huge role too. Your phone uses artificial intelligence and smart algorithms to improve photos. It automatically adjusts brightness, contrast, and colors. It sharpens details, removes noise, and sometimes even combines multiple photos into one perfect shot. For example, night mode takes many pictures quickly and merges them to make brighter images. Portrait mode blurs the background using software. So the phone is not just taking a photo, it is actually processing and enhancing it. That is why smartphone cameras look so good today. Video recording. What about video? Video is simply many photos taken very fast. When you record at 30 frames per second, your camera takes 30 pictures every second. Then it plays them back quickly. This creates smooth motion. Slow motion works by capturing even more frames per second. That is how you see every tiny detail. Why smartphone cameras are so good now. Modern smartphones have improved a lot. Better sensors, smarter software, multiple lenses, and powerful processors. All these things together make phone cameras almost as good as professional cameras. And the best part is they fit inside your pocket. So how do smartphone cameras work? It is actually simple. Light enters through the lens. The sensor captures it. Pixels turn it into data. And the phone processes everything into a photo or video. Small device. Smart technology. Amazing results. And now you know exactly how your phone camera captures your memories every day. If you enjoyed learning how smartphone cameras work, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Tech Spark for more simple technology explained. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.